Hi, my name is Joanna, and today Damon and I are reviewing this soundbar mount.
Hi, I'm Damon, and today I'm going to be reviewing this soundbar wall mount, so let's go ahead and see what's in the box.
So here's what comes in the box. You have your instructions, your screws, your ruler, your pads, and then your mounting brackets themselves. So here's what our soundbar looks like before we install the brackets. So this is what it looks like installed and the soundbar on it.
It's adjustable, fits my soundbar perfectly, and holds up to 38 pounds, which is more than enough for most soundbars out there. It comes with little rubber pads that help keep the soundbar from rattling, but we had the option of screwing it in to keep it more secure. And once it's up, it actually improves the sound too, since it's not just sitting behind clutter anymore.
So when it comes to this soundbar wall mount, I would highly recommend it because one, it helps you save space on your dresser or entertainment center, dresser in my case. It's easy to install, and the mount itself is adjustable so it can fit multiple or different types of soundbars. But yeah, I like it and I would highly recommend it.